Hello, I've had a few questions on exactly how I record using the movavi software. So this is how I do it. I set it up onto my second screen and then I start the game with the screen capture mode on custom so I can make a custom size. I make sure I drag the game into where I'm recording and then I can resize that then. This is just a test just to show you how it works. So it's a little bit larger than the screen, so you can see what I mean. You go into the settings of the game, make sure that they're well, it doesn't have to be 1366 by 768, but the frame rate matters. So 60 Hertz and windowed. So I'll do a quick race in this now, and you can see what the frame rate's like, and then I'll show you the other version then where I set it directly onto the screen itself, and then you'll know see the difference then. Yeah. I'll just stop talking now because I'm making a mess of it. Okay, right, so that's how it runs when it's just above the screen like this. So if you look at this screen now, I'm going to put arrows on the points where you need to set the custom size to on here, so that you know where exactly to put the screen capture. Now, it's quite important that you've got two screens to do this, because one of your screens is going to be busy doing all of the capture work, and the second screen is going to be where you've got all your controls. This is how I've got it set up. I find it doesn't work very well on one screen. This is probably why they sell specific software to do this, and this is called Gesita by movavi 5. I really can't say that word, but that's the software they sell that goes on top, and it comes in bundles. As you can see, you can buy it in quite expensive bundles, but right now it's cheaper to buy this with movavi on the store page, so I would recommend doing that above everything else. So as you can see here, this is movavi Video Suite 17, which is what this is, and you can see here that there is at the moment an offer where you can have both of them much cheaper for £12 for two, which is pretty good for what you get. Don't forget to set your capture software to 60 frames as well as your game. Anyway, so back to doing what we were doing. So now you're going to see some footage of it running in that frame that I just pointed out that you can do, and you can see the difference between the two. So here it is now running in that frame. I'm going to do a couple of laps running like this so you can see what the frames is like. Yay, come third. Lol. Okay, well, there we are. That's it. That's how I set it up to do these tests, just to show you how the software works. Myself, I use NVIDIA software to do this, but this is a really good software if you need it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you for the questions, and have a nice day. Bye bye.